Okay, so good morning and good evening, everyone, and welcome back in today's class. Today on the day number 21. Okay, Friday we started a topic that is called the service portal and the further part. So we discuss a beginning of the service portal, that what is service portal, how it's work, a little bit overview that what the concept of the service portal in service now. Now from today, and we try to be complete this topic by Thursday, but I'm sure we cannot do so. By Friday we are going to be close this major topic, and once this topic get closed, you can say your 70% syllabus will be completed. Okay, now let's come back to the agenda point mainly. So we are discussing that there is a portal, there is an interface from where a end user can raise a request to order something. So we discuss this part, little bit discuss on this portal part. Okay, but not in the depth. So what it says that number one, how to configure this portal. Number one, how to use this portal is the number two part. Okay, so the page you are able to see, number one, to how to access this part, you have to put /sp is the way to call this particular service portal. It is a way that it is a URL that you can access in your PDI, in my PDI, very easily. Okay, the page you are able to see is called the portal home page. Means the page which a user will see when he log in is called the portal home page. On the top, this one, this is called the menu bar. This page is configurable plus customizable as well. I hope you go through the video which I released on the on the Saturday, that what do you mean by the customization and how the best practices make a good use. If you not, please go through that video. That is important from the interview perspective as well. Okay, so this is what we say, that these are the menu. This particular box is called the search, and it will work like a global search. Like we have a search here, the same way it work like here. So I can search anything and I can put enter. Now it will go and find out the things for me. Where the email word has been mentioned, it will find out those knowledge article for me. Let me come back here. Okay, these three boxes, 1, 2, and 3. This is called the widget. In ServiceNow, specifically in the portal area, widget play a vital role. Widget means it is a self-contained code or the logic which run in a particular box. So when I click on this request something, I am going to a page called catalog page. This is my catalog page. Everybody know that what is catalog. If you go to the restaurant and you say, and the waiter came and give you one or two kind of a big cards, that is called the menu card. In ServiceNow world, we call that menu as a catalog, in which you will see that what you want to order. And if I open this catalog and I can see this particular item, this is called the requested item. You see, let's say example, if you go to restaurant for a lunch and your family, your husband and your kids are there, you ask, okay, what do you want to be eat? Nobody say that I want to be eat Chinese or Japanese. You say, or maybe you say, what you want to be eating Chinese? I want to go for the noodles. So you call to the waiter and you say, can you bring noodles in this particular catalog? You're not saying that please bring Chinese. No, you say, can you bring a set of or one plate of noodle for me? It means you are ordering the item, not the catalog here, but you are choosing your item from the catalog. That is the important point. We will see that how we can create this category, how I can create this catalog. We will see that part. Okay. Now let's come back here. Knowledge base. Knowledge base means if you want to access any kind of a article, you're searching something. Let's say you purchase a new laptop. Okay. And you don't know that how to configure the email in that laptop. Then what you do, you go to the Microsoft website and start typing how to configure the email. In the same manner, I'm putting a knowledge base here for my users. This service portal used by the IT users mainly, because this service portal is a part of the ITSM. Maybe in after a few days we are going to be discuss about the CSM as well. So CSM also has his own portal. Okay, so we will see that how to define an article and how to bring the article on this part. Okay, and then get help. It means you are frustrated, you are not able to find anything and you want to be raise a incident for the same. You went to the restaurant, you order something, but you don't like that part, or maybe that was not up to the mark, or maybe that is contain some allergic thing which you already say you don't want in the food. Now you want to raise some incident that is come under the topic called can we help you? These boxes mainly in the can we help, we include this thing, create an incident here. This one. This is called the record producer. We will see when we start on discussion on that part. And after that, these all are called the widgets here. If you want, you have to be just use or you have to be just configure in your portal and then you can add them. Current status, top articles, my assessment, announcements, my approval and my open incidents. Okay, everybody clear till this point? Yes, guys, everybody clear? Good, thanks. Thanks, Abba. So now let's start that how I can configure this portal. So today we are going to be complete that how I can define this portal. So to do this part, let me come here and search for the portals. Under service portal, you have a portals here. Open it. By default, ServiceNow give me portal which end with the /sp. But here remember one thing. If okay, I go to the portal and I can see that okay, where is the portal include? This is the portal I'm talking here. This is the portal we are talking here now. Okay, when I activate or when I install the plugins of the CSM, then I will see little more options here. Okay, so now I'll open this portal. I will showing you by this way, and homework for today. Everybody need to create at least one portal. Kumar, take a note of the question answer today. Okay, everybody need to create minimum one portal in my PDI. Okay, the thing is that how it's start. Number one, this is a title service portal. You can see it's mentioned as a service portal, the title here. Sorry, this one. This is the URL suffix I'm talking about. Let me come to the home page now. This one. I'm talking about this thing. From where this is becoming, this is coming from this particular part. If I put my name, LNG, and save, and now try to open this as a LNG, it will open the same page for me. Or if I put like this, it will not open for me. Why? Because this particular URL suffix has a case sensitive information. If you want to open, you have to put the right in the small letters only, LNG like this. Only then it will be open here. Okay. So maybe I can put like this. Now, if I come here, let's see from where these boxes and all these are coming. How the system know that when any user login or like this, if I open like this, how my system know that I have to be go to this page only. These are called the pages. This is a one page, this is 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 one page. Okay, simple. You can do this exercise, knowledge from knowledge here, catalog to catalog, request to request. System status, it is not for everybody because we log in as an admin, so we can see here. Now, from where these configurations are coming, let me show you. Home page, it is coming from this index. Let me try to change something here. I'll put this one and click on the save here. Now let's go and reload this page. See, now the page has been completely changed. Why? Because I make a change on the home page as well. Earlier it was index, which is given by service now, but I say no, I want my home page. You can make a change. You can create your own page as well. If you want to see, click here and you can see here sys_pages.do. It is coming from there. And if you want, you can create your own page as well. I will show you that how we can create our own page. Okay. Same thing apply for this as well. If I click on the knowledge, this page is coming. I want to know this should not come. Something else should come. Come here and you can make a, like I will put index here. Now save it. Come here and reload it. So now, sorry. So now you can see I'm getting this page. When I click on the knowledge, I'm getting this page. But if I click on the LNG only, I'm getting this page. So it's all configuration where you want to do. You can try with the login page. If I am searching for some page which is not available, it show me 404. Let's try something like this. Only I do this part if it's work for me. No, it's sometimes it's not working. Maybe something internet goes down, then 404 will come for me. If you want to change, you can change it. Okay, so like I put like this ID, so like this. So it has a game as well. You can easily play a game. It is nothing that I defined. It is given by ServiceNow only. Okay. So by this way, you can define that if user want to, if there is some issue in the network, user will get this 404 page and how it will look like. Okay. Clear everyone till this point. Now come back here. Catalog home page means if I click on this catalog, I want this page should be appear, some other page should be appear. That I can do from here. Category home page. If I click on the category here, I should get this page. So you can make the changes. That is what I'm saying. In the after this class, if you're doing the exercise, don't make a change on my portal. Otherwise, everybody will making a changes, and the last person who save, he will override everybody information. So better create your own page. I'll show that how I can create or how you can create your own page. Now main menu, this one. If you want to change this one, you can come here and you can put some other page. By default, it is the SP header. Let me put something else. Let me put HRM header. And if you want to change the theme, I don't like this red green color. It is coming from the theme. You can put another theme as well. Let me put ECS theme and save it. Now let's come here and search for the index. See, theme has been changed now. I'm getting only two options. Request. I'm getting this. Request by categories is not coming here. Why? Because I did not define anything here. And my theme also get changed. Okay. Let me click on the catalog. So like this, I'm getting a pages. Okay. So by this way, you can do the minimum configuration which you want to do. I'm just removing it so that I can use the previous one. Azula. Now, if you want to change the icons, this one, this icon, then you can make a change easily from this icon. You can make a change, update here, it will work for you. And don't touch this particular script. Okay, what this do basically, what is this saying? It says it is a quick start, what I can say, config script, where it will check that in which table my instance exists and field should be the title and hero background is like this thing they are talking. If you want to make a change on this image, this one, we will see that I don't want to go for this part. I'll go for the configuration part. Okay, so we're able to make a change. So don't change anything like this here. It should be like, for the default one, it should be like this only. And later you can have a search sources, knowledge base, catalog, and the taxonomy. Taxonomy is the latest one which has been introduced by service now, and they are bringing. So now you can see there is a portal for the IT user. There will be the portal for the HR user. There is a portal for the some other user. So a single employee need to be used 3 portal. Cannot we bring everything on a same place? That is come under the taxonomy, and there is a portal given by service now that is called the ESC, Enterprise Service Management. So like this. Now either you want to raise a request for a leave or either you want to raise a request for the laptop, you can follow the ESC portal easily. So click here, you will find like this. If I click on IT, I'll find the knowledge base like this. So we have to be configure this thing. It is coming, this is coming from the ESC portal. Let me show you something here. I'm talking about this portal here. Okay, open it. So now it has only one taxonomy, that is called the employee. Once I activate more plugins like HRSD or some other plugin, it will show me the HR portal as well. This is something latest or newly ServiceNow introduced. I'll make some changes in this part and then we can discuss that thing in our class. Till now, everybody clear that what we want to be achieved in today's class? Everybody clear? Any doubt? Kumar, Priya, Ugo, EB, Saba, Anna, Glorio. Everybody clear, guys? Say yes, no, or something. Great. Yes, yes. Good. Now let's come back for the creation. That Atul, how we can create our own ServiceNow portal. Now let's go here and search for the portal configuration. This one. Okay, because to create a portal, let me remove all these things. To create a portal, we need a lot of things, and it is a step-by-step execution. Okay, it is a step-by-step execution, I can say here. So how I can start, or what are the steps required? Number one, we have a branding. Number two, we have a design. Number three, we have a page. Number four, we have an editor. And number five, if you have a new portal. Let's say I want to create my new portal. Click here and let's create it. What is my portal name? My portal name is Learn, Grow, Together. What is the URL suffix I want to be called? I want to be called as a capital LNG. Okay. Now, what should be the home page? My portal look like? You can select here. My portal look like for the home page is, maybe I can say clocks. How the KB page should be look like? The KB page should be look like EC dashboard. How the login page should be look like? It should be look like with the adaptive authentication. How the logo will be look like this. Icon. What is the logo? What is icon? I have no idea, guys. So you can check that what is the difference between logo and what is the difference between the icon. Now, if 404 come, I want to show 404 only. How the catalog homepage will be look like? I want like this calculator. How the catalog category homepage will look like? See, again, it is all I am doing the configuration, but you will be surprised to know one thing. Okay, what is the main menu? I said main menu should be Employee Center. Theme should be ECS theme. This is what I am creating a portal now. Now let me go and save it. It's saying LNG is already there. So let me do LNGT, Learn, Grow Together. Now let's save this. I'll show you some example that how ServiceNow portal look like and what people can create via ServiceNow portal. See, this is example of the ServiceNow portal. Only the thing is that background image has been changed. This is example of the ServiceNow portal. This is for what we discussed basically for ECS part. Let me show you some complicated one. This is one is service portal. This is what a service portal. The thing is that service portal required a lot of customization. If you say, no, Atul, I want some different page, then you have to be define the code. You have to be define the logic like this. See, it is a completely customized service portal. It is not following the theme which we have. It has their own theme. It has their own home page. ServiceNow say avoid the customization, but companies or the customer says that service portal is the more or the first place where my customer interact with me. So like this, India, and I put Amazon. So like this, by seeing this, you can say, oh my God, so attractive. By seeing this, you can say, oh my God, it looks simple, but it's good. What all this? This is nothing. This is a service portal only. This is only service portal, nothing else. So the way you define the service portal can give a good impression to your customer as well. That is the reason it is completely configurable. You can configure as much as you want, no worries. But the service portal configuration, but customization is not that much easy. You should have a knowledge of the CSS. You should have a knowledge of the HTML. You should knowledge of have a Angular JS. Okay, so now let's come back here. Our portal is here. Now let's open this. LNGT. Oh wow, nice. Why it's coming? Because we are putting the home page should be clock. So it is coming like a clock here. Now don't ask me a question that Atul, can I put some other country clock here? If you want, you have to do some R&D. So people from UK, people from New York, people from Chicago, people from San Diego. Okay. So now this is the first part has been completed. What I will do, I'll just make a change here so that we can discuss a little bit more which we want to be discuss. Okay. KB view 2. That's fine. Catalog homepage. Something. The catalog is there or not? Okay, leave it, no problem. We can okay, let's keep it like this. Menu I want to be changed. SP header menu. Let save this. You can search for these two options that I will not tell. This R&D you can do and click on the save here. Now let reload this page. Now the thing is that okay, Atul, this will be working fine. This will give me error because I'm changing a lot of things now. So don't worry, this will give me some error here. Okay. If you want there should be no error, then we have to make a change here as well, I guess. Theme as well. Lazola. Sorry, it's Lazola. Okay. And click on the save here. Now this is called the home page which we created. Now let's go for the branding here. Specifically girls say, Atul, I don't like this green, dark green color. Can we make a change? Yes. Now come here, search for the portal configuration. Okay. And search for the branding. Today homework is easy. See, you cannot do a lot of deep dive on a day one. These things come from the experience, but should you know that when you work as a consultant and customer talk to you that, hey, can I configure the portal? You should know that it is be available in the service now or not. And you can ask to the or tell to the customer about the same. Okay. So that is the reason we are going to be discuss this part. Now my base is ready. Like I can say, okay, I want to build a house. The base house has been ready now. It means it has a 4 wall, it has a 1 roof, it has a 1 floor, it has 2 bedrooms. Now let's decorate it. Now let's make it a little more good, impressive. So let me click on the brand editor. This is saying that which portal you want to do the branding. Okay, this portal is in the change management. Let me change to my portal first of all. My portal name is Learn and Grow Together. This is my portal. Be careful that if you think that it is the some other name and you are making changes, it will not reflect. So you have to be select the right portal which you want to make a branding. The good point is that you know that if you make a change here, it will reflect automatically within a seconds to you. Let me close this. This is not required now. Okay. Title. If you want to change title, let's say put Deep Learning keep going. Okay. If you want to change a logo you can change. Let me put some other logo. So it's uploading now. So now you can see. This is the benefit of service now. Quick changes you're able to see here without any refresh. Now logo padding, this one. This thing and on the top like this. It is defining this part. See, now you can see the space from the top. Basically padding has been one of the things which you can do in the CSS as well. Okay, so it is up to you. It's totally configurable part, guys. Here you don't require any coding at least in this part. Now if you want to make a change in the theme color, so this is the favorite part. I'm sure all the ladies in this group are waiting for this coloring part. Theme color. Now you can make a change here. Navigation background, this one. I told you it's very bad. Let me make a change. See. Navigation divider, this line I'm talking. So everything is configurable here. The only thing is that how much time you can spend in the exercise, that is the only thing. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can see. Page background, button background, primary color, success, info, danger, text color, text success. It is totally up to you what you want to make a change. And in this part, you're able to see that what this means what. If you want to go for the primary, you can click on the primary. Go to success, you can go for the success. Info, warning. Let me show you something here. Let me change the page background like this. How the page will look like. And see, there's no save button here. If you reload my form here, see, it has been changed now. Right? Atul, this is still not looking good, yeah. Can we put our photo? MJ says, can I put my photo? Yes, you can put. Don't worry. We will discuss that part. So this is called the basic branding here, which you can make a change easily because this particular thing is coming from some different page. It is not branding. Branding is on the top level like this. You can able to see this is a branding, but this is not a branding. This is some other image is coming. Okay, let me come back here for a quick check. Everybody clear? It's interesting topic today, right? Any doubt, any question, guys? Don't worry that upcoming topics are not going to be that much easy. So you can enjoy today, but not tomorrow. Okay, good. Thanks, Akanksha. Thanks, Kumar. Now let's go to the next part. Okay, branding done. It means my home interior or my home external color has been done now. Now I want to go the internal part. I want to decorate my kids' room. I want to decorate my living room. I want to decorate my bedroom. This is come in the designing. Let me click on the designer here. Okay, design says that what you want to bring on the pages like this. Okay, these are the designing part. And I click here. One thing you have to be remember, guys, very carefully here. The pages you are able to see here, right? The pages you are able to see here, it says, sorry, I was confused, sorry. Someone messaged me. Okay, the pages you see here, these are called the global pages. What do you mean by the global page? Like, let's take example. You purchase a flat in a society. Now, if you want that the society entrance gate should be black color, then it doesn't mean that when you enter into the society only You can see that black color. Anybody who is entering or exiting from the society, he or she also able to see that gate color as a black. It means if you are making any change in already built pages here, these are the given by service now, right? Like see, these are the pages. If you make any change in this page, and if this page has been used by some other portal, your changes will be reflect there as well. Again, I'm repeating this particular term called the global changes. Let's say you are supporting a customer and that customer is from the database team. Customer says, when I log in into ServiceNow, I should get a welcome message. I said, boss, I can do. That's not an issue. But the problem is that that welcome message will be visible to everybody who will be logging into the service now. Maybe he's from your department, maybe he's not from your department, because that is a global level changes. So remember, avoid making change in these pages until unless it is required for every user. Okay, it is required for every user. So now let's make a change here. If you want, you can create your own page. See, we will discuss that part. Let's see search page here. This is my search page, SP search. How it will be look like. See, this is the page, right? ID search. This is the page, right? From where this page is coming? This page is coming from this. And how it work? It has some container like these boxes. These boxes are called the containers, like this. Layouts are there. You can put the widgets. We are saying about the widgets, right? Let's do one thing. Let's create our new page. Okay. Where I can go, let's come here and click on the designer. Let's create our new page so that I can show you little more changes you can make at your side. The bright sun is on now. What is the page title? I want LNG together is my page title. Okay, this is my page ID. It does not contain _u_x like a table. It does not contain. Click on the submit. Now it is up to me how I want my kids' room to be look like. So what I can do, I can put a container like this. Okay. In this container, I need 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 boxes. Under this, I need boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want when this page has been loaded in this particular place, in this particular container, user should able to see some widgets. So here are the some widgets. Let me show. Search for the clock. Drag and drop. What I want next, I want announcement. Drag and drop. What else need? What else I need? Let's say I need some breakout game. It say you cannot put it here because it is too small. Let me say breadcrumb is coming. Yes, breadcrumb is coming. Let's say barcode is coming. Barcode is coming. Okay. Now let's say my page is ready. Okay. And what I can do, I can check this page here. Or maybe if you want to check the page settings here. Sorry. Okay. Now you can do the page property edit because it is your page. See, I am changing my page. if you do the same thing in the global pages, then it will reflect for everybody. It is very, very dangerous part, guys. In the interview, it has been asked that if you make a change in a page which has been used widely, what you will do? You will never change the page easily. We will see that how I can alternatively achieve that output. Now I click on the, or you can click in the page here as well. Let me click search for the LNG page. This is my page, right? Open this. Already opened, right? If you click on the page properties, click here. It will open something. No, it will not open. It will open the same page only. Okay. Now, if you want to see the preview, how it will look like, let's see. It will be look like this. Why? Atul, it will not look like this because till now I did not add this page in anywhere in my portal. Right? I did not use this page. So let LNG underscore together. Let me go here and open my portal. Okay. And open, where is my portal name? This one. Let me put the home page, or maybe I can put the home page as LNG together. See. And now save. Come and click on this. Now you can see here. This is the page which we created, right? One breadcrumb, another options are not coming because that is not as of now visible or not having the prerequisites. Cloak is coming, only one is coming, and announcements are coming. From where these things are coming? These are coming from a page which I designed here. This is my page. Clear everyone till this point? It is all your imagination now. It is all your creativity now. Nothing much I can do because we are not going in the coding part. We are mainly going in the drag and drop. Okay, you have a network issue here. Okay, no problem, Khushbu. Okay. Let me come here. So now one part has been done. Branding done, designing done. Now let's come to the portals. Or if you still confused, what you can do, what I generally prefer, I go here, portal configuration, and I open this page again. So branding done, designing done. Or I can say branding done, page editing done. Let's say designing, what designing it's talking. Same thing which we discussed now. Page editor. This is good. This is nothing good, but it will show you something that how your page has been defined. Like if I show you that when you open the index page, how it will look like, you can come and search for the index. So this is the way that you can see that how the page has been defined. This page contains 4 containers. Under the 4 containers, 1, 1, 2, 2 row. Under that, this is the final pages they're using. If you want to make a change, so sometimes what happen that we get confused. Like if I open this and I want to know from where this is becoming, then better you can go and open here. And you can search it easy. You can check it easy that from where these things are coming here in the portal part. You can easily get that part. And now if you want to make a change like this, how can we help you? I want to make a change on this home page. It will open here for me. See, a big code is there. It is nothing. It is just a widget is there. And what is the widget name? Home page search. Okay, So this is a step number 3. Again, I'll come here so that everybody should be able to understand where we are. So we've done the branding, we've done the designing, we've done the page, and last we're coming on the visit. Atul, I don't like this box to be like this. Can I do some modification here, there? Yes, you can do. Click on the widget editor. This is the place where you have to do the coding. But again, what ServiceNow recommend, if you want to modify any existing widget which is given by ServiceNow, any page which you want to modify which is given by ServiceNow, and it is going to be globally impact, better you copy that page and make a changes in your existing page, so that whenever you upgrade your system, you should not face any problem here. Okay, because this is my PDA, so I can do anything. You can do anything. That doesn't matter to us. But in the practical example, in the real world, we'll never make a change in any of the widget easily. If I want to modify a widget, I will copy that widget and do that part. So now they're saying what you want to do. I want to edit an existing widget. I want to add the clock. I want to add the clock widget. Sorry, I want to edit the clock widget. Open it. If you guys are expert in coding, most welcome, you can make a change here. I'm not the expert in the coding, so I cannot make any change. But this is the place where you can define that how widgets look like. Or if you want to create your own widget, come here, open the configuration, click on the widget editor and create a new widget. Widget name, training. Do you want to create a test page for this? Yes. Training is a test page. Yes. Submit. That how widget will be look like on the page. Let me want to be see. So now here, if you know the coding, you can do the part. Because I don't know the coding, so I cannot write anything here. But if you want, you can add any function here. You can add any client script here, and you can add any this thing. Let's see if it will work or not. Yes, it will work. G.form, add info message. Welcome. And let control S. And if I want to be C, where I can check this part, keep information public, edit in the schema, open in a platform. Let's see. So even though like this, you can make a change in the widget easily. Okay, so this is what we discuss about the portal configuration. Okay, now what is your homework? You have to create one portal and you have to make these many changes. Try as much as you can do. Create a portal with your names. Create 1, 2, 3 pages. Create some widgets. Make some changes in the widgets. Nothing is going to be happen in the my portal, guys. Okay, so don't worry about this. Everybody clear till this point? Sorry, here. Yes, guys, everybody clear till this point? Any doubt, any question here? Anybody? Kumar, Ugo, EB, Saba, Olu, Glorio, Anna, Akanksha, Priya, MJ, Omiko. Okay. Yes. Only 2 people are getting everything clear, not everybody. Yeah. Okay, good. So now this is the first part which we want to start for the today's class, that how to create a portal and how you can configure the service portal at your side. Now what the next part? Let me come back to my bread and butter here and search for the portals. Okay. Now I just a request to everyone, don't change anything in the service portal guys, because this is the portal which we're going to be used. So let's keep it like that. At the last, you can do anything at your side which you want to do in your pages. Okay. So this is required, otherwise we are not able to complete our point here. Landing page 404, header menu and Lazola. Okay, and let me put SP only as of now. Save. Let me close all other tabs here. Now what we want to be discuss, that is important. Now the first step in the request management, or I can say the front end or the interface, has been completed. Okay, now in next 5-10 minutes or 15-20 minutes, we will see that when you join a new company and your manager say, please go and raise a request for the laptop. How you raise a request for the laptop, how your manager get an email that he or she need to be approved the request, and how the task get generated for the IT team, for the configuration team, and for the delivery team. This is what we discussed in our Friday call. Now we are going to be do a practical part. Today I will show you the overall process, and tomorrow we are going to be discuss or start to be configuration part on that front. So I recommend don't take a leave at least for this week, guys. If you're taking leave, make sure you go through the video before coming to the class on the next day. Otherwise you will lost everything. So now let's come here. Request something. I want to order one laptop, office, or I can say hardware and desktop. Okay, let me say I want to be order one desktop. This is what is this? This is my request item. Today I am telling these things. Tomorrow I'll be just using these words, guys. So be familiar. This is my request item. This is my category. This is my subcategory under the category. Click on the request executive desktop here. Okay. Now you can see here. There is some description. Sorry, some short description, some description, one image, options like if you want to order a new phone from any of the website, Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, or direct to the company's website, you get an option. Do you want 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB? If I say I want 16 GB, see the rate has been increased. Let's see, it's 150 if you're taking the base model. If you want a more higher, then 262 pounds will be added more, and the rate has been increased. You get the option memory. I say I want 2 GB. The rate increased. How much hard drive you want? I want 250 GB. The rate increased. What OS you want? I want Red Hat. That's fine. Anything special requirement you have? No, I have no requirement. These 5 options are coming from the variable. These fields are not on the table. These fields are not on the table of in any of the service. Now these are coming from the variable part. So like if I say, if you go to buy a car, or you want to buy a mobile phone, or you want to buy a bike, what is the common variable in all these 3? The color is a common variable, because your phone has a memory, but your car don't have a memory. Your car has a mileage, but your phone don't have a mileage. Your phone has a hard disk or the hard memory, but your your car or bike don't have that thing. So it is up to the user that which variable he want to be used on the service portal. That is very much important here. Okay. So it doesn't mean that you can put every variable on every item. No. Like if you go for the restaurant and you order that, hey, can you bring the noodles for me? It asks, do you want it spicy, medium spicy, or mild? But if you go and say, hey, can you bring a beer for me? He will not ask, do you want a spicy beer? No. He will ask, do you want a chilled or cold or a hot beer? So two different variables on the two different items, guys. So don't be confused here. Okay. So number one is that these points are coming from the variable which we're going to be discussed. This quantity, how many laptop you want to order, or the desktop you want to be order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is all configurable part now. And we are trying to be use our latest method which is given by service now, that is called the catalog builder. We will avoid to use the maintain item or the maintain category, because going forward companies are using the catalog builder only. From where the price is coming, it has a fixed price somewhere has been configured in the background. Now let me click on the order now here. Now if you are ordering it, it is asking, are you ordering for yourself or someone else? I'm ordering for myself. Any delivery information? No. Any special instructions? No. Like if you are ordering a cake online, it asks, are you ordering for someone's birthday? You can put anybody's name here and you can put the delivery information and the special instructions. Happy birthday this, happy birthday that, happy anniversary, and all the things will be there. And then I click on the checkout here. This is the day-to-day process we are going to be discussed now. So now a request has been created. Till date, we just know that there's an incident number INC. Now we have a request number. Let me copy this. Come here and search for this. Why it's going in this area only? Let me open with this. Even though we can check from here as well, that will be good, because now we are going to be use this thing only going forward. Okay. Okay, now come here. So when you order something from any of the website, you did not see this particular part. Like say your manager says, hey, Priya, go and log a request or get a request for the laptop. You done your part. You say, I want 2 GB RAM. I want 250 hard disk. I want Linux as a, what I can say, Linux as a OS. Now, when this request go to your manager, he will see that there's a approval is pending. So now you can see here on the REQ, I have a RATM as well. RATM is the product or the item which you ordered actually. That is called the RATM here. So how it will work actually in service now. So I have a REQ, I have a RATM, and under that I have a SC task. Okay, REQ is the parent, so it is the REQ. So when you order something, let's say there's a Diwali sale is going on the Flipkart or Amazon. You order one mobile phone, one laptop, and one LED TV. All these three are considered in a one order. That is called the REQ. But all these three are the three different items. Maybe TV is coming from Bangalore. Phone is coming from Bombay and laptop is coming from Delhi. So these are the three different items you are be ordered here. On a single parent, on a single order, you have a three different items. That is called the RITM here. What it's saying? It's saying that approval is pending. On the request item, you can see waiting for approval like, and for whom the approval is pending, you can check here. It is pending for the Eric Scoder. Now don't worry, Atul, from where this person name is coming. That we will see in tomorrow's part when we are going to be start our configuration, workflow configuration or the flow configuration. I am my practical point is that I am avoiding the old techniques in service now, like searching it from the maintain item, searching it from the or getting something on the workflow. No, I want you to be go to the advanced level now. If you want, I can give you some previous videos and you can watch that. Because nowadays, when I go for the interviews or I appear or take the interview, I ask on the latest modules of service now. Because maybe after some time or maybe after this training, if you enter into the company, they're not using the previous method, they're using the latest methods. So you should be knowing that latest techniques only. It says it is pending for the Eric. From where it is becoming? It is coming from the group approval, which it says if the catalog item cost more than $1,000, then one approval will be going. Tomorrow we will see that from where this approval is coming. But now just understand this part that we have to be configure some approval here. Click and approve. Let me open this and let me approve this and save. Once a request has been approved, let's come back here and go to my RITM. And now you can see the stage become fulfillment. That's nice. Now open the RITM here. This is the actual place where I'm going to be see that what is happening with my record. So you go to the restaurant, you check the menu card and you say, can you bring a tomato soup and the noodles for me? Tomato soup and noodles are the two different items which will be prepared by the two different chefs. Okay. And to deliver that part to you, to deliver that soup and noodles to you, in the background, chef will do a different task. So come to the related records here. You can see one task has been created automatically. Don't worry, all these things we're going to be do, guys. Don't worry here. Nothing to be worried. Today's this session, the last 10-15 minute session is only to be give that how the overall process actually work in the industry. Okay, so it's saying there's a task available. Open this task. What it's saying, order from vendor or move from in stock. Check the product which a customer is demanding. Is it with me or not? Like say, if you go to the restaurant, like sometime it happens, my kids say, Dad, I want to be eat some ice cream. I said, okay. Then I open the menu card. I asked to the particular person or the waiter, hey, do you have this one? He says, yes, sir. Maybe he has in stock. Maybe he need to be get this ice cream from some other shop. So this is the first task has been created. So what is the meaning here? That until unless your RITM get approved, task will not create. So now take example, if you order something from the any of the website, until unless your order get dispatched, you will not get a message that it has been out for the delivery. It is common sense. There's a no fire and you're calling to the fire brigade. It's a foolishness, right? So what it says, it should be step by step. Don't create all the tasks in a one go. Maybe vendor says, sorry, I don't have this product in my stock now. We have to be cancel the order. Okay. Now, if vendor say, no, no, I have this part. So what he will do? He will come and he will close the task here. When you click on the close task, he or she can put some information. Otherwise, click on the save here. So one task has been completed. It means the order from vendor has been confirmed that this product is available in the bucket. Now come to the related records again. Open this RITM. Go to the related records. Oh, it's still open. We did not close here. We save it, right? Update an existing record, that's fine. What left? Nothing is left. Then why the other task is not getting created? Even though this is something new I'm using, this is called the service operation workspace, guys. Yes, now the second item task has been created. This is called the service operation workspace. This is something newly introduced by ServiceNow in the San Diego release. That how to use or how to give a good place for the fulfiller or the service agent to work on that part. Now, once the stock person confirm yes, it is available in the stock, the second task has been created. It was not earlier there, right? Now it has been created. Receive the item. It means I am receiving the item from my stock room. If I receive, I can make it as a close complete, close incomplete, close skip. Kumar just put a question in today's part. You guys have to be understand the difference between close complete, incomplete, and a skip. What will happen if you choose this option? What will happen if you choose this option? What will happen if you choose this option? So for the same thing, I'm putting closed, complete, and click on the save here. My task get completed. Okay. Let me come to the RITM here and click on. So now I'm getting the third part. Configure hardware and test system for the initial boot. To whom it has been assigned? Let's see. It is assigned to the field service. Atul, this is again one thing, that how my system is knowing that this task should go to the field service. It is not system no. It is I am told to the system earlier that guys, I know I told to my waiter, if someone order for the soup, tell him clearly that it will take 30 minutes for the delivery because we are making a fresh soup for you and we are going to be add some cream, some butter, some bread, some different stuff in that. So that the customer should know that it is going to be 30 minutes. And you can tell that we have two different chefs who are preparing this soup. So which one you want to be prefer? You can ask, otherwise I can say that in my kitchen, this chef is very much famous for his soup. Let give the order to that particular person only. So in tomorrow's class, we will see that from where these assignments groups are coming properly. Okay, now I open it and do the same thing here. And I click on the close task. If you want any notes, you can add any notes here as well. Nothing to be worried. Okay, so my 3 task has been completed. Now let me come to RITM and refresh it again. Deliver to customer. Who will deliver? The field services team will be delivered here. Click here and then I can put the close task here. I strongly recommend, guys, strongly recommend that use this particular workspace which you want to do, which you want to be used. So now my all task has been completed. It means you order the soup and the noodles, you receive that soup and noodles, you eat that soup and noodle, and now you paid the bill. and now you are ready to get out from the restaurant. So now if I come here, you can see it has been marked as a completed. If I come to the REQ and check here on the previous part, where it is gone here, sorry, details. Yeah. So you, okay, one more task is there, awaiting delivery is there. Okay, let me refresh. Yes, okay, it's completed. So now if I come here, my request also get closed complete. This is the way that how the system actually work. The things is work. Now the thing is that you can do this complete part. Let me come here and you can search here. And you can search for the request here. This one. You can do the same work from here as well. See, RITM is there. You have opened the RITM. You have the approver here, right? All the things. But I not recommend to use this place now. I want you should guys, you should use the workspace only, because this is the latest one which ServiceNow introduced, and you should get a practice to do that part. If you want, I can give you some previous video, because I don't want to put double efforts now. Till the 6th or 7th batch, I teach both of the things. But now I recommending to teach the latest only, because this is what we are going to be used. Even though in my I talked to one or two to my friends, they are saying, Atul, we're not using the previous methods now. We are using the workspaces completely, so that we can get habitual for the new things. Coming the next version of ServiceNow is coming soon. Tokyo is coming soon, very quickly now. Maybe they introduce something more. So better start using the latest which is available in ServiceNow. Okay. Now clear everyone till this point that what is the overall process look like. Yes, guys, everybody clear on that part or not? Any yes, no? Okay, thanks, EB. EB understand completely. She's giving good reaction to me. Good. Thanks. So now let me stop the recording here, guys. Okay. But before that, what is the homework for you? Create one service portal, widgets, pages, and try your hands dirty in that part. Second, create at least one service request from the portal and follow the complete cycle in the my PDI. Why I'm saying in my PDI? Because maybe in your PDI you don't have a service operation workspace available or activated. So better use my PDI so that you can do the things easily and it can work for you. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to be start that how I can create this item for the portal. How I can add one item here with my name. We will see in tomorrow's class. But we will pick up the catalog builder, not the old methods called the maintain item or the maintain categories. We are going to be discuss about the catalog builder. But don't worry, I will give you some previous videos so that you can get little basic idea about the old methods as well. Okay. So with this, let me stop the recording now here.